In today's video, I thought I'd share my Charlotte Tilbury collection, or maybe we could say obsession. I have the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. This concealer is a little lighter than what I usually wear, but I love having it on hand because if I want to brighten my usual eye look, I think it's good to have, a little variety when it comes to concealer. This blends in really nicely. It brightens around the eye area. The next product that I bought was the Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. I bought that this summer after kind of trying some other Charlotte Tilbury's. This was the newest one that they had. This is a thicker foundation, and it does have a little bit more coverage than what I wear every day, but it blends nicely. So next up is the bronzer, and I love this bronzer. This is my second bronzer that I purchased. I love that you just buy the bronzer and you just clip it into the beautiful case. It's nice and big, so you can use a nice big diffuse brush and just get that, beautiful sort of healthy glow. And then I bought the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand that over the summer was such a huge hit, and it was really difficult to get a hold of. And I find that it blends into the skin really nice, and it does kind of have that lit from within kind of glow. It's pretty. Now, my face at the moment is a lot glowier than what I like. So I'm going to grab another one of the products that I absolutely love from this collection, and it is the powder, the pressed powder. This is probably the fourth or fifth powder that I've had over the years. I always have one on hand. Now on the eyes. I have a couple of the eye products. I bought over the summer the Pillow Talk Eyes to Mesmerize pot. And then I also have, and you'll see when I open this, a very old container of the Pillow Talk. This obviously has gotten a lot of love, and I wore it every day for a very, very long time. The Eyes to Mesmerize is a great product because you can just use your finger, and I'm just gonna put it like just to the outer edge. So let me just add a little more powder, and then we'll sort of talk about the whole line, and I'll give you my thoughts as to what I love, what is okay, and sort of what I would not buy. So the first things first, the things that I would likely not buy again would be the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. And it's not because it's not a good product, but it's because I already have quite oily skin and I don't feel like I really need it. I feel like there are other lighter moisturizers, or just for me, even in the summertime, just using a primer is a better deal for my skin type. If you are dry skin or you like kind of a more of a like a heavier cream for your skin, then I would recommend this. But for me, it's not a no. The next thing, since I'll just do this for you, is the Flawless Setting Spray. And I am almost out of the setting spray, and I will be buying more of it. When it comes to the powder products, I have the two absolutely crazy favorites that I have are the bronzer and the pressed powder. I always have these on hand. I would definitely repurchase the eyeshadow. I do have a lot of other eyeshadows, so this would not be tops on my list, but it's not because it isn't a great product. It's just because I have a lot of eyeshadows, and the color Pillow Talk, it's really nice for people with blue and green eyes. And so I would definitely recommend this. And the other thing that is really nice is that you don't need a massive palette. This is great to take shopping. This is great to take traveling. The Eyes to Mesmerize eyeshadow, I think is another great one and done look. If you don't want anything else and you just want a really pretty eyeshadow, you could get this. But I'll give you a little insider tip. I have always used blush on my eye in the very same way. So if you wanted to save a little bit of money and you like this blush, you can also use it on your eye to do that sort of one and done look, and then save the money and use it for something else. So this, the blushes, including the Glowgasm blush, are very, very nice. So when it comes to lip colors, I absolutely love the shade Pillow Talk. I am now mainly using this Pillow Talk and the liner. I like the little bit of sheen that it has. I think it's really, really nice. I also really love the pencil. The final product that I showed you today was the Flawless Filter, and I think people either love this or they don't. And I think that if you have, again, a drier skin that you want to have a little bit of a glow or a little bit of a sheen to, that this could be your jam. Overall, in the line of Charlotte Tilbury cosmetics, I've never disliked a product. And so I think that it's a great one for women with mature skin. I give it the full mature woman thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. It's a great line, and I think you'd love whatever you got from it.